Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'll be talking about playing position. Some little tips I have on position play. So position play is when you are shooting one ball, but you want to think ahead to the next one. So let's actually take these two balls and put them up and get out, let's say the 8 and the 2. Let's say we're playing 9 ball. Playing 9 ball, or this pattern could work in 8 ball too. So we have ball in hand, and what we want to think about, we always are thinking in the span of 3 balls. Where do I want to be on this ball to get on this ball? So what position do I need to play to get on this ball to get on this ball? And what position mainly focuses on is the line, the shot line. So the line between the ball and the pocket is what we focus on. You want to be on the right side of that line. I don't mean right like right side, like right hand side of it, on the correct side of the line. And what does that mean? So when you have an angle, if you're on this side of the line, your cue ball naturally goes over here. You want to do as little work with the cue ball as you can possibly do. You want to make your job the easiest it can be. You don't want to overspin anything. So we just want to try to go on the right side of this line. We want to probably end up either slightly on this side, dead end, or slightly on this side of the line. So somewhere in this area is perfectly fine. But what we're going to do is we're going to pick a small point. Because if you aim small, you miss small. So we're going to pick an exact target point. And however you want to get it there is really up to you. I mean, there's different ways you can play it like that, although that is a little difficult to control. You see we're on the wrong side of the line. And this one may be a little difficult because we're doing something called crossing the line. So it's better to play position where the ball naturally goes in this direction. Although it's kind of tough from where this ball is. If there's a chance to go a few rails and go where the cue ball goes in that direction, that's what you want to do. I'm going to show you that next. Right here, this may be your easiest chance. Probably going into the opposite side pocket is your easiest chance, really. Get down on it. Rolling forward. Here we are, and we play position for this so we can just bring it back just a tad bit for the 8 ball. And you see, we're good for the 8. So, let's throw out some balls in different positions. We're going to talk about going into the line. This shot right here. We're on the 7 ball. We have ball in hand. Where do we want to play the 8? Now, a lot of people would play it like this, which is okay. But see, if you slightly run over, we're on the wrong side of the line. And now we're going to have to settle for a long shot or try to go 3 rails around, which can be costly. So this shot is what I'm talking about going into the line of the shot, making it easier for a position. The line we want to be on in this case is either dead straight in or on the left side of the ball. Either dead straight or on the left side of the ball. There's a few ways you can do this. You could do this shot if this makes you comfortable and just try to hit it soft. But you have to have pretty good speed control. We got it there, but see now we can just roll that ball in. We had to cheat the pocket just a little bit, but now we're dead straight on the 9. So it would have worked out in the end. But I want to show you what I mean by coming into the line of the pocket. Watch where our cue ball goes. I'm going to hit it hard. But I want you to watch the path of the cue ball off the 2 rails. Okay? Did you see the path that it took? It went here, here, into the line of the 8 ball. So that means with speed, we can end up here, 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 and still be fine. You see, the margin for error is big. So with this angle right here, you might want to give yourself, especially if you're playing on a big table. If you're playing on a bar table, and this is real important, if you're playing on a bar table, you could honestly, probably the best choice, especially if you're on a valley, is just to do that, play it into the corner, roll down for the 9. Because those bar table pockets are big, and it is a short table and you'll be fine. But if you're playing on a 9 foot, say if you're playing on a 9 foot diamond, this shot is the right shot. Coming around 2 rails into the line, just like that. And then you can just roll forward. You see, if you're on the right side of the ball, the correct side of the ball, your job is much easier. You can just let the angles do your work for you. And this is why beginner pool players always think about getting dead straight in on their next shot. Now, what if you get dead straight in on this shot? You're on the wrong side of the ball. You're not on any side of the ball here. On this case, this is actually one of the easiest position shots to play, because you can end up slightly above or slightly under and be fine. But if you get dead straight in, you won't be able to get over there. You're gonna have to do some crazy, like, force shot like that. You see, it could work, but still we're left with this shot that no one really wants to shoot, although it's makeable. But you see how much easier and how much stress is saved if we just end up on the right side of this ball, which could be any side of this ball. And you can play it in multiple ways. Instead of trying to force something, try getting up over here. And just rolling down to this rail for that 9 ball. You see how much easier that is, but you gotta look at that in advance. So if the 7 ball were there and the 4 ball were here, you gotta think, where do I need to be on the 7 ball? Now here it may be easy to pick a point on this rail for your cue ball to hit. We're gonna hit with topspin. You wanna give yourself a ball and hand angle where your cue ball will probably hit around there. Just like that, except hit it a bit slower. If you hit it slower, you see you come into the line of the shot. You're coming into the line of it, so you can end up on the rail over here. Just don't hit it too hard like I did, but everybody's gonna hit it too hard at some point. But you see, coming into the line of the shot makes everything a lot easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys so much for 58,000 subscribers. That is a crazy, crazy number. I can't believe we've hit that in only like a year. So the channel's been up for about 3 years, but we really started gaining subscribers in August last year. And now it's July this year, and 58,000 people later. So thank you guys so much. Let's share the channel with your friends, all your buddies, your APA league, your BCA league, your USAPL league, whatever league you play. Share this with all your friends. If you're a team captain, share this with your players. Just share the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment what you want to see a tutorial on next, and I will see you in the next video.